Best webcam covers for iPad and Android tablets protect your privacy, block unauthorized camera access, and provide peace of mind without affecting device usability. My today's video is about top 5 best webcam covers for iPad and Android tablets that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vanjua Ultra Thin Webcam Cover Compatible. This 25-pack webcam cover offers a practical and affordable way to enhance digital privacy across multiple devices. Its simple sliding mechanism provides instant physical protection against unauthorized camera access, making it a reliable choice for anyone concerned about online security. The ultra-thin 0.02 2-inch profile fits seamlessly on laptops, tablets, smartphones, and desktops without preventing the device from closing properly or causing scratches. Constructed from durable ABS material, each cover feels sturdy enough for long-term daily use while maintaining smooth operation. The upgraded adhesive keeps the cover securely attached, and installation takes only a few seconds with no messy residue. Wide compatibility with MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and many other electronics makes this pack highly versatile for homes, offices, and classrooms. With 25 covers included, you can protect multiple devices, keep extras on hand, or share them with family members. Overall, it delivers excellent value, dependable privacy protection, and convenient everyday functionality in one economical package. Now our second product is generic 3-pack ultra-thin front camera privacy slider cover. This 3-pack front camera cover set is an excellent solution for anyone who values digital privacy without sacrificing convenience. Including 2 black covers and 1 silver cover, it offers enough options to protect multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and work computers. The ultra-thin, lightweight design blends seamlessly with your device, adding virtually no bulk while allowing smooth, everyday use. Its sliding mechanism works effortlessly, letting you instantly block the camera for privacy and quickly reopen it for video calls, online meetings, selfies, or streaming. Installation is simple. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive backing, align the cover, and press firmly for a secure fit. The strong adhesive keeps the cover in place during regular use without interfering with normal device operation. Compatible with Android phones, Pixel, Galaxy, iPads, laptops, and many other flat-screen devices, this privacy camera shield offers dependable protection, sleek styling, and excellent value for users seeking an easy, reliable way to safeguard their personal privacy. Our third product is JOS California 9-pack 0.03-inch ultra-thin webcam cover. The California JOS webcam privacy cover set is a thoughtfully designed solution for protecting your digital privacy across multiple devices. This 9-piece package includes 3 large, 3 medium, and 3 small covers, making it easy to find the perfect fit for laptops, smartphones, tablets, webcams, and even the Tesla Model 3/Y interior cabin camera. Its ultra-thin 0.03-inch profile blends seamlessly with your device, allowing laptop lids to close naturally without interference. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply clean the surface, align the cover, and press firmly for a secure hold. The adhesive provides reliable attachment while remaining easy to remove without leaving sticky residue. Built with a sleek black finish and smooth curved edges, each cover offers a professional appearance while effectively blocking unwanted camera access when not in use. Quality controlled and packed in the USA, this set is backed by responsive customer support. Overall, it delivers excellent versatility, dependable privacy protection, durable construction, and outstanding value for everyday security needs. Now number 4, Cloud Valley Laptop Camera Cover Slide. The Cloud Valley webcam cover combines privacy, style, and convenience in a sleek, ultra-thin design. Its attractive pink finish adds a fashionable touch while providing reliable protection against unwanted camera access. Measuring only 0.023 inches, 0.6 millimeters thick, The cover sits flush with your device, allowing laptops to close normally without affecting daily use. The smooth sliding mechanism makes it easy to open the camera for video calls, online meetings, or selfies, then close it instantly for added privacy. Installation is quick and straightforward. Simply align the cover over the webcam, press firmly for 15 seconds, and it's ready to use. The secure adhesive keeps it in place without interfering with the webcam, indicator light, or screen functionality. Compatible with MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, Android tablets, laptops, desktops, and other devices, this two-pack offers excellent versatility for personal and professional use. Overall, it's a stylish, durable, and practical privacy accessory that delivers dependable protection while blending seamlessly with modern electronics. And our last choice is Xiaotuk's webcam cover. This webcam cover is a simple yet highly effective accessory for protecting your digital privacy and keeping your device's front camera clean. Its sliding design allows you to instantly block the webcam when it is not in use, helping reduce the risk of unauthorized camera access while also shielding the lens from dust and debris. The cover is easy to open whenever you need the camera for video calls, online meetings, or recording. Featuring a strong adhesive backing, it stays securely attached during everyday use while remaining easy to remove without leaving sticky residue. Its universal design makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPads, PCs, iPhones, smartphones, iMacs, and many other devices with front-facing cameras. The slim construction does not interfere with the webcam's performance or the camera indicator light. Overall, this webcam cover offers an affordable, practical, and dependable solution for enhancing privacy, maintaining camera cleanliness, and providing greater peace of mind every day. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.